Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Are you a remote worker or freelancer dreaming of working from an exciting country like Japan? Well, you're in luck because Japan now offers a digital nomad visa, allowing remote workers from eligible countries to live and work in Japan for up to 6 months. In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Japan's digital nomad visa, including its requirements, eligibility criteria, income standards, tax implications, benefits, and even some disadvantages you should consider before applying. If you're thinking of making Japan your next remote office, this video is for you. Let's get started. 1. What is Japan's digital nomad visa? Japan's digital nomad visa allows remote workers and self-employed individuals to live and work in Japan for up to 6 months. It's designed for those who are employed by companies based outside of Japan or self-employed with clients abroad. Key feature: this visa does not allow individuals to be employed by a Japanese company while they in Japan, making it a great option for those who wish to work for international companies or freelance remotely. Non-renewable. The visa is non-renewable, meaning you can only stay in Japan for a maximum of 6 months. However, you can reapply after spending 6 months outside of Japan. This allows you to maintain flexibility in your travel and work plans. This visa presents an exciting opportunity for digital nomads, remote workers, and freelancers to experience life in Japan while continuing to work with clients and employers around the world. 2. Eligibility requirements for Japan's digital nomad visa. Let's go over the key eligibility requirements for Japan's digital nomad visa. To qualify for this visa, you need to meet the following criteria. 2.1. Who can apply? Non-Japanese citizens? You must be a citizen of a country other than Japan. Intending to live in Japan temporarily while working remotely? Remote work. You need to be employed by a company based outside of Japan, or be a self-employed individual who earns income from clients or customers outside of Japan. Income requirements. To ensure you can support yourself while living in Japan, you must meet certain income requirements. Typically, you must demonstrate that you are earning enough to support your living expenses. During your time in Japan, 2.2 visa duration. The digital nomad visa allows you to stay in Japan for up to 6 months. After 6 months, the visa is not renewable, but you can reapply after spending at least 6 months outside of Japan. 3. Income requirements for Japan's digital nomad visa. Key part of the application process is proving that you have sufficient financial means to support yourself while living in Japan. Minimum income. Applicants must prove that they earn enough income to live in Japan comfortably. The exact income required may vary, but as a general guideline, remote workers should be able to prove they are earning an income of at least 3 million yuan to 4 million yuan freelancers. If you are self-employed, you'll need to provide evidence of regular contracts or invoices from clients based outside of Japan. This could include bank statements, contracts, or other proof of income that demonstrates your ability to financially support your stay. 4. Tax implications for digital nomads in Japan. A crucial consideration for anyone looking to work remotely in Japan is how taxation works for digital nomads. 4.1 Japanese taxes if you are staying in Japan for more than 183 days in a year. You may become a tax resident and be subject to Japanese taxes on your worldwide income. However, if your stay is under 183 days, you may not be considered a tax resident. This means you might not be subject to Japanese income tax on your foreign earnings. Well, this depends on your specific situation and residency status. 4.2 Double taxation agreement. Japan has tax treaties with several countries to avoid double taxation. This means that if you a tax resident in another country and you repaying taxes there, you might not have to pay tax again in Japan. It's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional or accountant who is familiar with international taxation, especially if you plan on staying long-term or earning a significant income. 5. Benefits of Japan's digital nomad visa. Why should you apply for Japan's digital nomad visa? Here are some key benefits. 5.1. Experience Japan's culture. Japan is known for its unique blend of tradition and modern innovation. Working remotely gives you the chance to live in one of the most culturally rich countries in the world, while still earning a living. Explore ancient temples, enjoy delicious cuisine, or immerse yourself in cutting-edge technology. 5.2 Excellent public infrastructure. Japan boasts some of the best public transportation systems in the world. Whether you're in Tokyo, Osaka, or Kyoto, getting around is easy and efficient. Plus, Japan's internet infrastructure is among the fastest and most reliable globally, which is essential for remote work. 5.3 Low crime rate. Japan is one of the safest countries to live in. With a low crime rate and a strong emphasis on public safety, it offers a sense of security for digital nomads, especially those traveling alone. 5.4 Work-life balance. Japan is famous for its balanced approach to life. While the culture is known for its dedication to work, there is also a strong emphasis on personal well-being. You'll find plenty of green spaces, peaceful gardens, and opportunities for relaxation, making it an ideal destination for those seeking a work-life balance. 6. Disadvantages of Japan's Digital Nomad Visa. While there are many benefits, there are also some disadvantages you should consider before applying. 6.1 High cost of living. Japan, particularly cities like Tokyo, has a high cost of living. Rent, food, and transportation can be quite expensive, especially in urban areas. You'll need to budget carefully to ensure you can maintain a comfortable lifestyle. 6.2 Limited stay and non-renewability. The 6-month stay limit can be a disadvantage for digital nomads who want to stay longer in Japan. Since the visa is non-renewable, you'll need to leave the country for 6 months before reapplying, which could be inconvenient if you were hoping to settle in Japan for a longer period. 6.3 Language barrier. While Japan has a high level of English proficiency in major cities, the language barrier can still be an issue in more rural areas. Japanese is the primary language, and many services, including government and business interactions, may require knowledge of the language. 7. How to apply for Japan's Digital Nomad Visa. To apply for the Digital Nomad Visa in Japan, follow these steps. Determine eligibility. Ensure you meet the requirements, including income, remote work status, and nationality. Gather documents. Prepare your documentation, including proof of income, employment contracts, bank statements, and your passport. Submit application. Submit your visa application at a Japanese embassy or consulate in your home country or residence country. Wait for approval. Processing times can vary, so make sure to apply well in advance. Conclusion: Japan's Digital Nomad Visa is a great opportunity for remote workers and freelancers to experience life in one of the world's most exciting countries. With its unique culture, fast internet, and excellent infrastructure, Japan is quickly becoming a top destination for digital nomads. However, it's important to consider factors like the cost of living, visa limitations, and tax implications before making the move. If you meet the eligibility requirements and are ready to embark on this adventure, Japan could be the perfect place for your remote work experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about digital nomad visas and living abroad. If you have any questions or need further details, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and good luck with your remote work adventures in Japan.